everybody, it's Lori here. I am coming to you with the Spellbinders August Card Kit of the month. I've peeked at this, but I've opened nothing. So I'm going to open it and we're going to go through it, and I'm going to try to make a few cards here so you guys can see what's included and how quick and easy these cards are. So when you open the box, you see your little Spellbinders Club sticker. And the first thing is a card showing all the contents and then instructions on how to make this card right here. So you can see it's a crafty themed card kit and it's so cute. So of course in every kit you have a little pack of dimensionals, adhesive, you've got your art school die cut shapes. It does include a stamp set, which is so cute, and I hope there's no glare on that, but you can see a little rainbow and hearts and really cute Hey Crafty Friends work of heart, so cute. Another little pack of adhesive, and this is a paper pack that I can already tell that I'm going to love. Oh gosh, okay. Piece of paper number 1. I already love it. It says creative, incredible, brilliant, all kinds of things in a gold foil. So that's adorable. And then of course everything coordinates together and is so cute. The one thing I really like about these Spellbinders paper packs is that they all coordinate obviously with the kit, but they all have a foil touch to them, which I love. Uh-oh, did you see that? That's cute. Okay, so you get probably two sheets of each, I'm guessing, or 3. That's cute. All right, the next is a die set, and this looks so fun. It's like a little palette with paint bottles and paint brushes, a little pack of red sequins, and then we've got these little puffies, puffy stickers. So cute, lots of colors. These look like some chipboard shapes and everything. I can see these being so cute on a card. Lots of sentiments. These are the puffy sentiments. And then of course you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes. And always in the bottom there is the coordinating cardstock. Another fun thing about Spellbinders is there's always this gorgeous piece of gold cardstock included, and it's double-sided. It's just so pretty and it makes for really fun die cuts. So we'll get the box out of the way and we're gonna go ahead and jump in here. So obviously these are A2 size cards. So they are kind of a textured cardstock, which is really cute if you wanted to leave them plain. But of course we have these great colors here. And we have this fun paper pack. So I feel like I need to go with the pencils right away. I have nothing planned here, so we're just gonna see where this goes. I can already see that this needs to be on a green, maybe a green card base, because obviously this cardstock is thick enough you don't have to use the cards, but I'm going to cut this down. I'm going to go ahead and just use my own adhesive here, my gigantic ATG gun, always my favorite for adding card fronts. My trick for card fronts, if you guys haven't seen me do this before, just line up your thumb and forefinger on the card base, push that cardstock up to each corner, and then drop it, and then you have the perfect card front, just like that. So I have a tip for your die cut shapes. These pans are from either Dollar Tree for $1 or Dollar General or somewhere. It's just a little cake pan. You can open these shapes, dump them in, and then you can dig through and then move them and bring them back, and they're all right here. So you can just kind of go through them and you don't have to worry about losing them on your desktop. So we're going with the pencils there. Oh man, look at the rainbow, so cute. Oh, okay, bus. We're gonna go with the bus just so you can see what else is in here. We've got some fruit, some notebooks. Oh my goodness, cat, so cute. A little easel, that's gonna have to go on a card. I would definitely want the bus for sure. Oh, that's a stapler and an owl. I love this kit. This might be one of my favorites, obviously, because of the colors and the rainbows. This is where the fun stuff happens. That's pretty cute. Oh, there's a paper clip. And remember, if the sentiments that are in here don't fit what you have, obviously you have stamps and stuff that you can add in. It doesn't have to come from the kit, but there is definitely a lot. I like that. Oh, look at that. That's cute. The sentiments, or the die cuts in here, also have that gold foil detail as well. Okay, I just feel like the cherries need to go on there. Nice is the new cool. That's cute too. Oh, maybe, no, we're gonna use that one. So now we're just gonna build this. And I probably will put these on fast forward so you don't have to just listen to me think here. One thing I usually do when I first get these kit, I open them up and I will cut all of my cardstock down into the A2 size card front size. It's just easier to store, and really you can just save these 3 and use one for your card. So just an easy way to store all your stuff together. If you ever get stuck and you're not quite sure how to build the cards, one really fun way to come up with lots of different looks for your cards is just go to Pinterest and type in card sketches. And you will be so surprised to see how many card sketches are on that website that are saved for you in nice little folders. And it's just a great source of inspiration. So for this next card, I'm going to add in a piece of the blue plaid paper from the paper pack. And we're going to use a few of these little chipboard. Oh, it's double-sided. 2 sides of chipboards. That's fun. My clean and simple brain wants to put that right there and be done, but we're gonna keep going and try to use some of these chipboard pieces. I'm gonna add in a little piece of this cardstock here. I really think that big rainbow needs to be used. So I'm gonna find that one. So cute. Okay, so card front there, probably halfway. See how quick these are to put together? This is just the tip. We haven't even really made a dent in this kit. This card was a little bit bigger than an A2, so I'm going to slice that off. I'm going to look for a sentiment to be able to use. I already like that one. This little camera, that's cute. Look at that little book, so cute. Clipboard, maybe. I'm gonna keep this one pretty easy and simple because I love that rainbow. So we're gonna just pop this up. I am using my own foam tape just because I have it here. I'm gonna pop this one up with a little extra piece right here, so that can go just like that. And then I'm going to use one of these taller foam pop-ups for the camera, and that way it can just stand here to the side. Does that need sequins? I don't know. That looks a little bit crooked. I feel like this could use an additional little something. Maybe this little yellow heart right there. So that was 3 really quick cards. And of course I have 7 card fronts left and tons of stickers and tons of die cuts. But that just gives you an idea of just how much is in this kit and how far you can go. And how quickly. And I didn't even use the die cuts yet. Those are cute. I might have to still use those die cuts on another card. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you how quick that was and what was included, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and let me know if you like this type of video. If you want, if you like to see these cards being made out, I can definitely make more cards next time. My friend Nicole used to make 10 cards per video. We've talked a lot about that, and maybe I could try to make more than 3. I'm not committing to 10 cards just yet, but this gives you a really good idea of what's included in the August kit for Spellbinders. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'm so glad you're here today. Come back again soon for another video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, hey, don't forget to subscribe too, and like this video if you liked it. I would appreciate that. Hope you guys have a great day.